So when it comes to creating art using AI, you have may have heard websites such as this one right here called DALL-E, which is created basically by the same company that created ChatGPT, or you may have heard of this one right here that's called Midjourney, which is actually somehow better than the one created by OpenAI, and you may have already seen hundreds of videos on YouTube that are dealing with this exact issue, explaining to you how you can make money using this AI art with various methods. But in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you a brand new method that nobody knows, how you can make money using these AI art generators without having to sell anything. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process how to set this method that I've been testing for a couple of weeks now. And as you can see right here, I was already able to make over $180 just by setting this up. So just make sure to smash the like button under this video, subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more money making content, and also tick that little notification bell so every time I upload a brand new money making video, you get to watch it right away. And now just let's get started with this method. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you a brand new AI bot that I discovered that you can use to generate art that is not going to be Midjourney, it's not going to be DALL-E, and is actually way better than both of these sites. Now what you want to do to go to these sites is just simply go to Google and you want to write there Lexica.art. Just hit search on that, and what you want to do is go to this first website right here that's called Lexica.art. Go to this website, and obviously the first thing you need to do is sign up, and you can simply just use your Google account for this. Just tick on sign up using Google, and then you get access to this in-browser. There's no downloading with this website. This is in-browser AI art generator that's creating all of these beautiful images right here. You can see this is high quality art that you could actually sell to make money with. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how to monetize this website, this exact website, without having to sell anything. Now first of all, what you have to do in order to not sell anything of this and still make money with it, you still need some way to get paid, okay? And for that, just simply go to your favorite content locking website. Now if you are a complete beginner, what I highly recommend is you go to OGAds.com, because OGAds has one of the easiest to set up content lockers out there. Just go to OGAds, and what you want to do is sign up for your free account. Just simply fill in a bunch of personal information with a valid reason why you want to work with OGAds, and once your account gets approved, what you want to do is just simply log right into it. Then just pretty much go to this tools section right here, and what you want to click is create a content locker. Just click this field right here, then just go to content locker creator, and what you want to do here is basically just name it something to do with the theme of this video, AI art, CPA, or something like that. And if you want, you can put some additional notes into this field right here, but that's completely optional and it's not going to affect anything. And then pretty much what you want to do is go down here, and in this section where it says unlock action, you need to make sure that it's selected to redirect to another URL. And all you need to do is just simply paste the URL to this field right here. For that, just simply go back to Lexica, copy the link to this website, then just jump back to CPA grip and paste it into this field right here, just like that. What I highly recommend doing though is also make sure to go up here, and all of these buttons, click advanced, and you want to select what payout threshold that you want for the CPA lock. What this pretty much means that this content locker is going to be displaying ads or CPA offers that will have a minimal threshold that you can get paid if somebody is going to complete them. Now you don't want to go very crazy with this. Actually, what you want to do is just type in there something like $1 or $2, and then pretty much just make sure that they put the correct URL into the redirect field, and it's still there. And all you need to do now is just click on create locker, and your content locker gets displayed right here. Now all you need to do is just go to this section where it says actions. You want to click on actions, and you want to view details. Once you view these details, you just want to copy this link and save it into a notepad or somewhere where you will be able to access it later, because what we need to do now is actually create a landing site that we are going to embed with this CPA link. Now pretty much you can use any type of landing page creator for this. You can use Google Sites, you can use some link in bio website, but what I highly recommend for this method to work the best is go to a website, for example like this one right here, that's called webflow.com. You just go to Webflow, and you need to sign up for your free account, obviously, as always, then just log right into it. And now pretty much you can set up a nice looking website, high quality website with completely free hosting in just a couple of minutes. Now to do that, just simply select this button right here that says new site. Now you've got two options. You can either start completely from scratch by selecting this blank template right here, but what I would highly recommend is that you just go through all of these templates right here and pick one that you like the most. Now some of these are going to be paid. I'm not going going to lie to you guys, but you can do this with completely free template as well. Just go ahead and select a template that you want, and if you want to select one of the free templates, you can just go to this section where it says free templates, and now you just press this view all. Right here you can see all these templates for a website that you can use completely for free, and you can use them for any other method as well. Now what you want to do is just simply select one of these, and for example I've been using this one and I had great results with it. So just select a template that you like and click on use for free right here, and I will get to name it something. Now in this case I'm going with AI art CPA. Just simply click on create a site, and now you get to customize this however you want. One of the reasons why I have picked this template instead of others is because it has these design places where you can place images very simply. That's one of the reasons why I'm using this, because I want to place some AI generated images to this site so I can make it very nice looking. Now for example, to start customizing this, I'm just going to go ahead and delete this section right here. I'm not going to be using it. Then also get rid of this name and title right here. I don't want that, and I want to change this title into something that's going to be in theme with this method. So for example, I'm going with something easy like create beautiful AI art just by pressing one button. Now I'm also going to this toolbar. I'm going to press this plus button and also go ahead and select text. Now somewhere here should be, for example, paragraph should work very well. I'm just going to place another paragraph right under this one. And by the way guys, you may have noticed this is very similar to any WordPress building editor. So if you have been working with any WordPress editor in the past, you will have very easy time creating a beautiful website in just a couple of minutes. But now I'm just going to customize this article into something like no DALL-E 2, no Midjourney, no Night Cafe, brand new AI art generator that is 100% free. Now pretty much what you want to do is to change these stock images right here to something that's been created by the Lexica.art generator, and for that just simply go back to the website and pretty much right away click on the generate button, and in this prompt right here you want to write something that you want to be generated, as I'm pretty sure many of you will already have experience with this by using ChatGPT or any other AI generator out there. Now just go ahead and type in a request for something that you would like to put on your landing page. For example, I'm going with something like this: coffee cup on a curb with sunset in the background. Then just hit on generate, and it's going to generate these beautiful images that I requested. And also if you go back to the Webflow generator, you can see that some of these need to be wider, much wider than longer. Now to combat that, once you get back to Lexica, you can adjust the dimensions right here. So for example, I'm going to choose one of these. For example, this one looks very nice. Just open it, right click and save it to your computer. Then I'm just going to change these dimensions right here into wider than longer and generate again. And it's going to take a couple of seconds to generate, but as you can see right here, it's going to work very well. For example, it's the same theme of the image, but now it's wider instead of taller. So I'm just going to download another one. For example, this one right here, right click, save to computer. And now I need two more. So I'm just going to back to the prompt, and this time I'm going to write there Fairy Tale 3 Village Fantasy World with Gnomes. Then just going to generate once again. It's going to take a couple of seconds to load up. And look at that guys, all these beautiful images generated just by typing in the prompt and hitting a generate button. Now I'm just going to download one of these. For example, I like this one for some reason. I'm just going to save it again, and also yet again change the dimensions and click on generate once more. Now just pick one of these. For example, this one looks very nice, and save that one as well. And once you get a couple of images of Lexica, what you want to do is go back to the Webflow website generator and replace these stock images with the pictures you have just downloaded. So just simply click on it, delete it right away, and what you want to do is go to this plus button once again and find images. Once you find images, just simply drag it to the empty place, and then just click on choose image, and one by one you want to upload the images the AI has generated for us by pressing this cloud button right here. So for example, this one is going to be right here. This one I'm going to replace with the same image, something like this. Okay, then I'm also going to go ahead and replace these two as well with the remaining two images. Now what I'm going to do is just change these titles into something to do with the image. For example, I'm going to name it Coffee Cup Sunset. This one I'm going to rename into Coffee Cup Sunset 2. Just like that. These are supposed to be the samples of the images created by the brand new AI that we are going to be promoting. These two I'm going to rename into Tree Gnome Village and the Grand Tree. By the way, if these two names are familiar to you, just let me know down in the comments if you know what I'm talking about. And now just let's continue with this method. Now what you want to pretty much is go down here, and you want to customize this text right here into something like create images just like this and more. And then I'm also going to get rid of this text right here, and also these couple of fields right here, we are not going to be needing them, so just delete them right away. And also this opt-in form right here, we're not going to be doing that in today's video, so I'm just going to delete it. Then I'm just going to go back to this toolbar right at the left side and find a button. I'm going to search for button, and it's right here, so I'm just going to drag a button right under this text. Then I'm just going to make it a little bit larger by adjusting this button right here. For example, I want it to be larger. For example, size should be 32 by 45. For example, let's see how that is going to look like. Then I'm just going to position it more in the middle by adjusting this slider. And now the important part is you need to customize the text of this button and also embed with the CPA link. To do that, just simply click on this button. For example, right in there, click here to try it out. And then if you're going to go to this toolbar, you can change various things about this button. For example, its color. For example, I'm going to change its color to make it red, just like that. Okay. Now what you want to do is go to this button and you want to select this gear icon, and it's going to bring up this pop-up menu, and all you need to do here is just go back to Notepad or wherever you have saved the link to your CPA locker or content locker and paste it right there, just like that. Now pretty much I have created this website from scratch on video, so this is not going to look very nice, but what you want to do is customize it to make it shiny and nice. Maybe add a couple of more images, add some borders, add some frames, add a little bit more text. For the sake of the video, I'm not going to be doing that right now, but once you're happy with the design of your landing page, what you want to do is go up here and click on publish, and then pretty much click on publish to select the domains, and this site is going to go live completely for free. Now once you're going to click this arrow icon, you will be taken to your published landing page, and it's going to look something like this. All you need to do now is just drive the most amount of relevant traffic to this website. That means people who are actually interested in checking out AI art generator, and once they're going to come to this page, they're going to see all these beautiful images and they would want to try this out. They will click on this button, but they will be taken to the content locker. Now what I forgot to tell you guys, and I forgot to do, is because I'm recording on the video, so obviously this stuff I tend to forget. What you want to do is place another text box somewhere between this button and right here, and you want to write there, human verification may be required due to high amount of bot traffic. Just one simple sentence like that, you want to write it in there, and that means everybody that's going to click on this button, it's going to assume they need to complete this content locker because this website tends to get a lot of bot traffic. So they are going to complete the content locker, they will be taken to this website where they can generate this beautiful art, and you will get paid. Now how to actually drive the most amount of relevant traffic to this website, you've got multiple options. I'm going to show you just one so you can go ahead and do this for yourself, but I'm also going to give you all the options that you may want to use for this. Now pretty much what you want to do is copy the link to this website, go back to Google, and in the search bar you want to write something like best AI art generator Quora. Hit search on that. As you can see right here, you've got multiple articles on Quora that are dealing with the same issue. What's the best generator? What's the best AI generator out there? So pretty much what you want to do is just go to all of these. For example, let's try it with this one. You just go to this button where it says answer, and you need to type in a relevant answer that's going to go something like this. I have tried them all, DALL-E 2, Midjourney, Night Cafe, but I found this one to be the highest quality. Check it out for yourself and let me know if you like it. Then pretty much all you need to do is just paste the link to your landing page right there. It's going to be embedded, something like this, and this is all you need to do on Quora. Now just simply click on post, and your landing page is going to go out there. Pretty much what you want to do is do this exact same process for all of these questions that are on Quora. Then you can go right away and do this for Reddit. All you need to do is just go to the search bar, and instead of Quora, type in Reddit, hit search, and as you can see, you get multiple threads on Reddit dealing with this same issue that we've been answering on Quora. You can do this for any forum out there that you can find. You can do this for social networks. Do this on Facebook, do on Instagram. You can share this on Twitter. Just go ahead and share a couple of images from Lexica on Twitter, put in a link to your landing page, and you're going to get paid. Now this is actually one of the easiest methods how you can make money using AI art generators. So if you like this method, just go ahead, put it to work, make some money with it, and after you do, return to this video. Down in the comments, do let me know how much money you have made using this. Now if you're hungry for some more money making content, check out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you in the next video.